Okay, I lied. This is my favorite campground so far. Got it all to myself, which was terrifying to me last night, but I think I'm gonna get one more night so I can actually enjoy myself and relax. Do that spot tonight instead, because it's nice and flat and it's got water hookup versus over there. It's just like a tiny little forest patch. There's so many birds and so many different kinds of birds. There's like these blackbirds, and then there's these birds that I swear to God, they're like imitation doves. Like they look like doves and they do that like whoo whoo. But then all of a sudden they like do this other crazy noise and they're like very aggressive and fast, and it's not a dove.